Hello folks, just wanted to do a quick cold start and walk around. You can see some of the engine paint is starting to crack. It is a 27-year-old restoration. Alright, get in the car. It'd help if I had the keys. Here we are. You see the cowl went down, just so you can see that working. Fuel gauge works. Temp gauge works. We're cold. Tack works. Speedometer, not so much. You can see the mileage. The clock works just an hour behind because, well, frankly, I haven't reset it. And you can see the amp gauge works. All the lights work. See that or not. It's awfully bright, but we finally got a day where we got sun, baby.